Before you start to install the rear entertainment system, make sure that your vehicle has the equipment code 866. Only these vehicles have the necessary cables to install the system. Now here, in the ashtray of the center console, we will install the DVD player. For this, you'll need the Retrofit set in Alpaca Grey with the part number B67827004. This package has the following contents: the frame of the rear center console with the 12-volt plug connection, the DVD player with remote control, and the 2 LCD screens with installation devices. 2 headphones are also included. The package is also available in 3 colors matching the interior. Move both seats all the way forward. Slide the headrests into the uppermost position. Then turn off the ignition and take out the key. Take off the rear trim of the driver's and passenger's seat. Undo the 2 screws at the lower edge of both seats. Slide the trim down and remove. Now take out the ashtray. Open the ashtray and with an assembly wedge, disengage the clip and remove. Now you have access to the installation shaft and the 4 screws to be removed. When they are gone, then open the center console and lever out the frame using the assembly wedge. But before you take out the frame, separate the 2 electric connections. In the new frame, insert the 12-volt plug. Now remove the air nozzles and the AC operating device from the old frame and place it in the new one. The air nozzles are held with clips. The AC operating device is held with screws. Undo the 4 screws and take the device from the frame. The installation of the air nozzles and the AC operating device in the new frame occurs just as the removal from the old frame. Now in the new frame, open the tray for the DVD player. At the back are 2 clips which you press together at the same time to open the tray completely. Now it's time to install the frame again. Leave the tray for the DVD player open for the moment. When you install the frame, don't forget to connect the electric connections. Below in the 12-volt plug, and the cable for the AC control. Press the frame in carefully. When installing the frame, open the center console. The frame is held on top by 4 clips. Mount the frame carefully in the fixture. And reinstall the 4 screws. Now push the DVD player in the installation tray and connect the cables. Fasten the DVD player with 2 screws, one on the left and the other on the right. And put the screen over it. Now pull off the plastic from the clips. And that was it for the installation of the DVD player. Now we come to the installation of the monitors. From the number on your screen, you can copy the A4 template. Cut out the template and use it as a stencil for the installation of the monitor holder. With a ruler, you complete the rectangle. Then with a knife, cut out the rectangle carefully. Cut deeply so that you cut through the upholstery under the leather. The cables are in the seat rack on top. Bring the cables upward through the hole. This is the monitor fixture, which is fastened with 2 screws. Now mount the monitor holder in the fixture in the seat. Connect the cables to the monitor and slide it onto the holder. Afterwards, fasten the monitor to the rail with 3 screws and then attach the trim cap. Do the same on the other side. When you have done that, you can reattach the seat trim and start with a functions test. Switch on the ignition. For the test, put in a DVD and play. And when everything was done correctly, the 2 8-inch monitors are brought to life and entertainment is brought into the vehicle.